welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing the no burping challenge, and these are my brothers and sisters.
It's your girl Jeanette. It's Janae. It's your girl Jada.
It's your boy Jaden.
So
Today we're going to be doing no burping challenge.
We're going to see who's going to burp first.
And
who's not going to burp.
We have eyes just in case because this is
not cold. So
Let's get started. Wait. Me and her got orange Fanta.
Lemon lime Sprite.
And we got strawberry. I got strawberry Fanta.
Okay.
Let's
Let's
get
get into it. Oh, we gotta say it.
Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ay, ay, turn up. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ay, ay, turn up.
Let's go.
Let's get in. Ooh, hold on. Oh Lord.
Oh my God. I can pull mine.
Oops.
Okay. Janaya, this is too much. Oh, it was just a bubble. Stop. Jada, that is enough. Woo. Stop, I got it, Jada. Stop it. You're acting like I'm a baby.
Ready, set,
Go.
Ooh.
This is good.
Get this kind. It's the best this kind.
And Sprite. Woo. This is good. I don't have to burp yet. Oh my God. Ooh. You gotta burp. Dang, Jenna.
Ooh, the bubbles. Wow.
Now I gotta burp.
don't.
Guys, this is real good.
Hold it in.
I ain't gonna be able to do it.
My stomach don't hurt, but I really gotta burp.
I gotta burp. I ain't better do it.
That's enough. You don't need that much.
Oh yes.
Guys, you gotta try this pump. It's real good.
And this is 100%. But yeah. Ooh, I ain't gonna be able to, I don't know if I'm gonna do this.
My stomach hurt.
My stomach hurt, y'all.
But this will make your stomach hurt. We're on our second batch, but except for her. Yeah. My stomach is hurting, but I don't have to burp.
Oh no. Ooh. I just didn't do it, y'all.
Ooh, that hurt. It hit the spot. Ooh. Look how much I got.
I can really smell
This
this.
stuff make gonna come.
Cold. Third cup. No.
I'm still on my second cup.
That's all. I don't need.
Yeah,
No, do not.
This is where we are.
Okay, fine.
We're
Yeah,
back.
this is where we are.
Cheetah.
Y'all.
You can't cheat.
No, you can
Okay.
Guys, it's on my belt.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god.
My stomach
Woo.
hurts.
I'm gonna better do it.
I got a burn.
Yeah.
Woo.
I knew I should have did this challenge.
See, we told you we can do it. Ah. Oh, my stomach is getting a tummy ache. Oh my god. I can't do this no more.
It's hot.
Ooh, God. I can't do it.
Go back down.
Go back down. Please don't come out.
Okay, somebody gotta take it up.
Maybe Daddy. He didn't even do it.
Alright, sit down. Okay, we got one now. She burped.
I couldn't hold it.
So we got one out right now.
Yeah, she's out.
Woo! Who's gonna be next? I think it's gonna be her. I think she's gonna be next.
Who?
Y'all, I got a fart.
Alright, then get up the video if you're gonna do that. Nope.
I gotta go use it. Nate, can I go use the bathroom?
I farted.
Okay, y'all.
Hurt.
I ain't gonna do this.
I still got this much.
Somebody gonna have to take it up.
Let Uncle.
Burp. No.
Oh, somebody just farted.
I said. How my stomach.
Dang! Move.
My stomach hurt.
She already know. She's.
Y'all.
Come on!
Y'all.
Third cup. Oh, I just farted. I just burped again.
Don't try this challenge because it'll make your stomach.
Janelle, your hair is going in my cut. Ew.
Y'all, when I tell you do not do
But it didn't go in her.
it's gonna make your stomach hurt.
Yeah. It will make your stomach hurt and I just burped real loud. But I couldn't hold it, so. Jada just burped.
I had to do that.
Jada out.
Me, Jada.
I didn't have no other choice.
But y'all need to try it, but y'all can't burp. Just to let you You can still drink it. Stomach hurts. Come on, y'all.
know, but you can wrap up all you want. So right now we already got 2 people out, which is Jeanette and Jada.
Yeah, cause you the best.
Who was burping?
Jada. Me. Nigga, go use the bathroom. Oops.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell her how to use the bathroom. So let's make that 3 out.
That's 3 out.
Now just me, Jaden,
You and Jaden.
me, Jaden.
Me, Janelle.
Oh, I got better do this. See, I said, women
Hey y'all, y'all better subscribe
He
to
was-
the video.
I think I will win because
Make sure you subscribe and give this 1,000 likes on this video.
Thumbs up.
And give us a thumbs up. If
Thank
like
you for watching this channel and this video.
See, before we even started, I was thinking I was gonna win because I'm always winning this stuff.
Yeah, so yeah.
my stomach don't hurt.
So we're gonna get paid.
Ow. She means if we keep doing more.
Shh.
Why?
Oh, I ain't gonna be able to do this. Janai, you gotta drink up. You can't just sing.
I know.
Oh, my stomach. So Jaden won.
Y'all, but I'm gonna still drink up until I burp.
he won.
Oh,
You gotta burp.
Okay.
And why?
Y'all subscribe.
Subscribe this
Make
channel.
sure you give us
A thumbs